Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is Convact Token. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate a huge profit by buying their tokens from their pre-sale, because they are offering a very small price in their pre-sale, and when their pre-sale ended you will be able to generate a huge profit by selling their token after their pre-sale. So today we also discuss how we can buy it by connecting our MetaMask, and how we can sell it by through our MetaMask, and we also discuss their other detail likes their introduction, their tokenomics, their pre-sale, and their roadmap, and their social medias also. Because if you have any interest in my every video, I recommend you all, if you have any interest to buy their tokens, or if you have any interest to invest in their site, so it is very necessary for you to subscribe and follow their social medias, because they give each and every update regarding their projects on their social media pages. So what is Convact token? So, Convact token for the revolution to reduce the common person daily expenses like lighting, transport, electricity. Be a part of the revolution and develop the product for future of lighting, EV energy industry. So their white paper is here. If you want to get more information regarding their project, so you can download their white paper. So after this I give you little introduction about the Convact token. So what is Convact token? Convact is a manufacturing excellent products with high quality and appreciated for their high efficiency and longer functionality. Convact is one of the best and bigger in LED tubes, LED bulb, and LED indoor and outdoor lights. So who are we? You can find the information that who are the Convact, and what is the Convact token. Is the first product offered to Convact brand, who is behind Convact brand. We currently are a team of men and women who have a common goal: improving lighting problem, high fuel cost, high electricity cost, high pollution in the remote and village urban area in the globally, by simplifying LED EV energy product by Convact a manner that everybody can easily integrate it in their life. In other words, we are here to manufacture product to reduce common person daily expenses like in lighting, transport, electricity are everyday usable in world as we currently know it. So you can also see their background is here. They give history that they are working since 2018, and they have achieved now stabilized position and are now being a prominent name among manufacturers and exporters. So you can also get the information about their approach, about their mission, and about their goal. So after this we discuss about their tokenomics and address and economic. So once you have entered our ecosystem, you can manage everything. Anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can participate in the global marketplace. So their token name is Convact token. Their ticker code is CTIN, and their standard is BP20, and their total supply is also mentioned. You can see that this is their total supply, and CTIN is their symbol, and the token precision means their symbol is 18. So they based on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, and their token address is also mentioned here. So if you want to add their token, you can use this address in your MetaMask or in your Trust wallet. So I copied it from this site. So after this you can also check there that this is listed on the BSC scan, and their explorer is bscscan.com, and tags is also mentioned here. So if you want to buy the token in the pre-sale, how to add Convact token in a Trust wallet, so if you click on it, so you will find out the way how you can add their token in your Trust wallet. So this have simple steps. Number one step is create the wallet. Never share it with anyone and store it properly. Make sure to copy the contract address below. And number two is add Convact token to the wallet and follow below mentioned step in Trust wallet. So number first step is here you can select the Convact token and click the here. Tap the icon in the top right and search for Convact token. If it's not there, tap on add custom token. When you tap on add custom zone, it is very necessary that you should change the Ethereum to the Binance smart chain, and number 4 is change to the smart chain, and number 5 is copy the contract address on this page and put it in the contract address box or scan the QR code in the image. So number 6 step is next, put Convact token as the name and the symbol as CTIN and decimal will be 18. So click done at the top and you should now have Convact token added to your wallet. So this is very simple way how we can add their token in our Trust Wallet. So after this we discuss about their pre-sale and their tokenomics. So we already discussed it, tokenomics. Here you can see their time that their pre-sale will end soon and 28 days and 10 hours are remaining in their pre-sale. So if you want to subscribe subscribe to find out when we end launch. So after this we will discuss about the roadmap. Basically roadmaps are the different plans that they set according to the time, and they makes little plans and they set in their different phases. So their phase 1 has a plan, different plans like website launch, token creation, white paper launch, private sale launch, and their end date is 6th of 10 2021. So it is their end date of their private sale, and their pre-sale launch start time is 7/10/2021 to 13/8/2021. So their end time is 6/11/2021. So after this we discuss about their phase 2. So phase 2 have different plans from phase 1. So they have a plan of social media marketing, push exchange listing in the DEX, CoinMarketCap listing and CoinGecko listing. And phase 3 have the plan of collaboration with influencer, community awareness of project, listing on best 3 exchanges, work on product R&D. And then phase 4 have different plans like smart production and distribution of products, collaboration with environmental organization, and 100,000 holders and e-store launch for Convact product. So phase 5, in phase 5 they have a plan like accept Convact token as payment mode in our e-store and listing on one big exchange, and accept other crypto as payment model in our e-store, and road to reward distribution for our token holders. So these are the so after their Convact Mall successfully release, their token holder purchase any product from their Convact Mall in payment mode, their token CTIN or other crypto and INR. So before order place, please add token in Trust Wallet or in your MetaMask. So now we discuss about how we can add their token in our MetaMask. So you need to download MetaMask in your wallet. So after downloading the MetaMask in your wallet, you need to change their network to Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain as a main network. So after changing your network, you need to click on the add token, and here you will find out this adding custom token. So here you need to paste the address of their token that we copied from their site, and other remaining information you will find out directly. So you need to click on the next, and when you click on the next and click on the add token, then this token will added automatically in your wallet. So this is very simple way how we can add their token in our MetaMask. And now we discuss how we can buy their tokens from a pre-sale pool. So here you can find out this page. I will also give the link of this page in my video description. You just need to connect your wallet. Here you can see that my wallet is connected and my main BSC is as a main network. Then you can change it if it will be Ethereum mainnet. So you should change it BSC mainnet. So after changing the mainnet, here you will find out their remaining limit, their exchange proportion, and you will also find out the remaining time from their pre-sale. So here you can see their small cap and their hard cap. So you can buy, this is the limitation that you can buy maximum from the 0.66 BNB and minimum from 150 BNB. 150 BNB is their hard cap. So you need to write the amount of your BNB that you want to change with their token. So you can see that my BNB balance is 0 here. So when you have BNB in wallets, then you will be able to purchase their token from their site. So this is very easy way how we can purchase their token from their site. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.